It's about 30 minutes before sunset, and we still don't have a camping spot. It's the best rated bakery in Baker City. Hey, we're Mel and Jay. Together with our cat Benny, we're traveling from Hope, BC all the way to South Padre Island, Texas, y'all, with lots of stops along the way. Good morning. We're on our way to Idaho. You want to explain what happened?
A big, huge tumbleweed came like right in front of the truck and then got stuck to the grill. So I was gonna pull over and get it off the grill, but thankfully it just blew right off.
It made such a thunk kind of noise. And we could like see it coming, and of course you can't stop it because we're not stopping for it. It's not a live creature. Oh, we're gonna, oh,
I got that whack on the tire. Having a little stop in Baker City because Mel needs to go to a bakery.
I can't resist going to this bakery. It's called Sweet Wife Baking. It's the best rated bakery in Baker City. It's actually one of the only bakeries here. But anyways, they are supposed to be world famous for their pecan cinnamon buns. I'm really hoping we're going to be able to get one. It's getting a little late in the day. I know you should never go to a bakery like an hour before closing, but that's the time we rolled into town. So we're gonna give it a go.
Oh, what'd you get?
I got their pecan cinnamon sticky bun, which looks quite sticky. And then I got the apple crumble babka, which looks quite delectable. And the nice young lady who was there said that these were selling quite quickly. These they are known for and very famous for.
Well, we got lucky. Even though we came in here at like 1 o'clock, they still had some stuff.
They still had quite a bit of stuff, actually. But the place was busy. Like, there were tables. There's a little cocktail bar, like old-time cocktail bar that you can go and sit at as well. So it was a hopping place. You ready to get sticky?
Guess so.
Which one would you like to try first?
Oh, how about we try the least sticky one first?
The babka. At least it seems to be the least sticky. Look at that.
That looks edible.
That looks delicious. Oh my gosh. There's apple pie filling. Kind of like a creamy custardiness or something. I'm not sure what. And the crumble with the drizzle icing on top. That is just fabulous. Okay, honey, you're in luck. We made it to the highway and there's still some left.
All right, you wanna? You're very tall.
They're very tall. It's good, eh?
Yeah, not bad.
And now for their famous pecan sticky bun. Look at those pecans. Here's a question. Do you say pecan? I say pecan. How do you say it?
Depends. If I'm in Canada, I say pecan. And if I'm in the States, I say pecan.
So you're more of a situational pecaner.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
All right, how am I going to eat that?
We're going to have to rearrange. All right, take a bite. Oh, that's too big of a bite.
I only take big bites. Oh, that is really good.
Delicious. It's moist. It's so, like, I don't know what they're putting on top of this, but it's like ooey gooey, freaking amazing. So if you're ever in Baker City, you need to stop by this bakery. Sweet Wife Baking. Do it. You won't regret it. I don't think this is a good idea. Oh, do not go down this. That is insanely redded.
Let me take a look if over there is a little bit better. All right, we've arrived at the BLM land. The road is a little rougher than I thought it would be. But I'm going to go out and have a look around and see if there's kind of like a better path. But right in front of us is really, really rutted.
So this is one of those situations that we typically really try to avoid. It's about 30 minutes before sunset, and we still don't have a camping spot. We've arrived to the BLM land that we pinned on the map, but the road, as Jay mentioned, is pretty rutted. He's gone now to walk the distance to see if there are any other campers, and to see just what the condition of the road is like. But yeah, it's got me a little worried that we're going to be pulling in somewhere in the dark and trying to set up in the dark. And there's no way that we can go down this road in the dark.
All right, I think Mel's right. This road is just, it's probably rougher than most of the rough ones we've been on. There's just some really big ruts, and we've done some damage to the trailer on similar roads. I don't know if you remembered, in Baja there was a big ditch and we lost a stabilizer, so we don't really want to lose our brand new stabilizers, do we? So I think we've got to look for an alternate.
So?
No, we're not going to make it. And I was able to walk and see the ridge that people are talking about in iOverlander.
Yeah.
But it's far.
Okay. And
yeah.
I thought I could hear some gunshots just now too.
Oh yeah, just up past that little green hut is actually someone's trailer.
Oh.
It's a hut built on a trailer.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, and then that car that you can see just to the left.
Yeah.
There's a big group of people shooting. So.
Yeah. So, I guess we might be skipping Boise. Sorry, Boise.
Yeah, I think we're just going to do a rest stop of some sort overnight.
And continue on tomorrow to Salt Lake City.
Yep. Change of plans. Sometimes it happens.
Good, gotta be flexible. But that means we'll get more time in around Salt Lake and potentially more time around Moab. So, and there's a lot to do around there. So I would rather spend a lot of time out there. Well, let's carry on. See if we can get to this rest stop before dark. Well, it's bright and early. The sun hasn't even come up yet, but it is 7 o'clock. And we're on the road again, leaving Boise. Whoop, hold on. It wasn't our first choice for places to stay, and we were planning to stay longer, as mentioned. But as far as truck stops go, this was one of the quietest ones we've ever stayed in. We did get some sleep, and Benny wasn't totally freaked out, which I was really happy about. There you go, my love. So now we're on our way to Salt Lake City, and here's hoping we have better luck with the camping. I could not resist stopping at this bakery. It's called what's it called? I couldn't resist stopping at this bakery. It's called Sweet Wife Bakery. No, Sweet Wife. What did you say earlier? Sugar overload in the best of ways.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this one is like a sugar overload in the best possible way.
Make sure you don't miss the next video by liking, subscribing, and turning on notifications.
Oh, and don't forget to check out our website and sign up for our weekly email blast.
Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.